If you own a small or medium-sized manufacturing company, you could be qualifying for dozens of cost reduction and tax incentive programs. These Moreno Valley tax relief experts will help you reduce your tax liability and maximize your profits. The Section 41 Research Credit, the Energy EP Act and others allow companies to obtain substantial incentives and significantly reduce their tax burden. The newly released service has been designed as an efficient solution for companies interested in minimizing their tax losses. Depending on your business, Prism Insurance Agency will help you qualify for programs such as the Section 41 Research Credit, Energy EP Act and others. The Moreno Valley Company is currently offering an incentive analysis available completely free of charge. Contact us at https://www.myprisminsurance.com/blog/usmanufacturingtaxcredits.hasp